So this is the April power routines, and I wanted to give you a short description of what you're supposed to be doing. On workout A, you have 4 different sections that you're supposed to be doing. And I want you to do this in an hour, which makes each section 15 minutes. And if this upper section is 15 minutes, what you're supposed to do when you perform it is the first one, which is high plank full extensions. And then you do your set of 5 reps on each side. And then you move on to barbell Romanian deadlifts. You'll do your 5 reps there. And you'll move on to weighted hanging abs and do 5 reps there. And continue to repeat through those 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 5 times through, and try to get that done in 15 minutes. But since there are only 5 reps each exercise, you should be able to do that pretty easily. That's the easy one. This one is just a little bit more difficult to understand, so I wanted to make sure that we really went into it a little more. These are called add-on sets, and it is slightly confusing, so we're going to go through it together now as if we're doing it. So your first movement is dumbbell one-arm snatch, and you're supposed to do a one-arm snatch with each arm. So you do 1 on your right side and then 1 on your left side, and you've completed set number 1. Then you move on to burpee, jump to a high box. So you do a burpee, you jump up to the box, you have to do it 2 times, and when you're done with 2 reps, you have to add the first set to it. So you would go directly to dumbbell one-arm snatch with your right arm and your left arm. On the next set that you do, you're going to go to 3. You do squats for 3 reps, which is going to be heavy, by the way. So 3 reps on the squat, and then you'll do your burpee jump to high box for 2. And then you'll go to burpee one-arm snatch. Excuse me, dumbbell one-arm snatch. The next one will be pull-ups for 4. And when you're done with pull-ups for 4, you'll do squats for 3, and then burpee, and then you get the idea. So we're always going to be adding the movements in that you've done already, but you continue to go down the list and add the ones above them every time. Okay? So you're kind of moving up the page and adding 1 more each time. I did add a section to put your weights in case you wanted to record it if you printed it out, and that way you can improve upon it. Since we're in power, we want to try to keep improving upon the weights, because if you're squatting and it's only 3 reps, it's likely you can go up. And that's a description for power for April.